We've been saying always as leaders of Pokot, we need the government of Kenya to summon the governor of Turkana to record statements to tell us what he knows about the insecurities that are along the border.
Utuko wa ira mairene ma thaa 11 mutwarithia umwe wa bodaboda ni aratharikirwo ni aici a mahiu barabara-ini ya Tartar mwena wa Turkana kuria aratharikirwo na gukuguthwo rithathi na gukua hau na ekuwirwo wethara.
Kulikuwa na shida hapo majuzi kuhusu mambo ya security, tena imejirudia tena mambo ya watu kukuja kuongoja watu barabarani. Kulikuwa na incident ambayo ilifanyika juzi hapo karibu Lorogon na Mboi, ambaye tena watu walikuja kutega watu na kupika mtu risasi tu ambaye alikuwa anasafirisha watu wamefika ngambo ile na kurudi.
Agikomithia cieko ici mubunge wa Kapenguria Samuel Moroto neretereirie cieko ici kuri atongoria a gitaru giki akiuga gavana wa Turkana Jeremiah Lomurukai ni acungireirie tharikira ici na njira ya gwikia mierio ya bara kuri aikari na kuria mafitha a ugitiri moritio gukorwo makiruta wira wao mategwitigira okanao.
The leaders of Turkana, being led by their governor, they have always been inciting their people. 2 days ago, they were at Kainu. And the kind of statements they were stating at that place were insightful. And immediately they left Kainu. That is when one person was shot around the takaywa area. And again, yesterday, another person was shot.
Atongoria aige aria maramumagaritkie ta munini wa speaker wa guku ni maugite ati Uhaguku wa Ugitiri ni urathi na mbere uthukite makiria akuona ati nginyagia icigo iria cirekanite gukorwo cina ugwati makiria ata itũra ria Turkwel itire iramukira mafitha a Ugitiri aria mangihota kumateithiriria.
Tumejaribu, hakuna mtu gani ambaye ameumia. Sasa ile yote ambayo tunahesabu, wale kijana ya kwanza mwenye alipigwa risasi pikipiki ni Pokot, ya leo ni Pokot. Wangapi wengi sasa wamezikwa pande hii. Hatujaona wale wengine wakisema kwamba kuna watu ambao wamezikwa.
This village called Lorogon has become a hideout for criminals. That is the place when somebody is shot, they run to that village. When somebody is shot, they run to that village. Footprints and when they follow up the footprints, it gets to that village. So we're asking the government, why are you allowing a village to be used as a hideout for criminals?
Ona thegia wa atongoria a guku gukorwo magika micemanio ya thayo, njoragano, njukaniriro na uici wa mahiu icigo-ini ici cia muhaka-ini ona riu itire irona kihonia.